My name is Roberto Martinez. I'm from Monterrey, Mexico. I work as a manufacturing manager at our company. It's a family business. It's a CNC machine shop. In terms of time management, our team, not only me, at the beginning it was only me, but recently we acquired 2 extra licenses for the software, and our team can complete much more code faster and more accurately. We also improved our productivity and we maximized the use of our resources, computers, personnel, and time. It's made up of really highly skilled, experienced, and very supportive staff. They have made the onboarding and training process really fast, really detailed explanation, really patience. The software has a really friendly interface. Just a couple clicks and you're ready to go with any request you have.